Hi everyone, I'm Dan Stephen. I work in the ads business, so my team works with developers and advertisers to help grow their user base and also their brands with Google. Today I want to give you three sort of takeaways on ways that Google can help you grow a long-term sustainable gaming business. At its core, Google's here to help you take care of the basics so that you can focus on more of the strategic objectives around building a business. So we want to help you build a core user base. We want to then help you use your data to enhance your strengths, the strengths of your game, but also optimize the weaknesses that potentially are creating lower engagement, and then ultimately grow the most valuable user base in your game. Because let's start off. We know that you did not create this game to just let it sit on the shelf. So how do you build a user base quickly? Developers and advertisers right now are dealing with the complexity caused by having just so much data created by multiple channels for acquisition, multiple screens, and multiple devices for users. So we understand this and have been investing heavily in our machine learning capabilities to remove this complexity for you and allow you to still reach the right user at the right time in the most efficient way possible. Google can help you get the world playing your game by reaching users in the moments that matter really effortlessly. And last year we launched the Universal App Campaign, which is designed to help you reach users across Google Play, Search, YouTube, AdMob, and our mobile display network. It's really easy to set up. You just need 4 lines of text, upload your favorite videos and images, and then set a cost per install. Google then takes care of the rest for you, delivering you the best of both worlds, time savings and a growing user base. So how does it work? Using the simple inputs, what Google's machine does is start to identify types of patterns and behaviors, using ad creatives to see what converts best on what particular channel. So, if Google learns that consumers are more likely to install your app after clicking on a YouTube ad as opposed to an ad in AdMob, then the system and the campaign will start to optimize for that performance. So you'll start getting more users from YouTube or the various different channels. But getting installs is just a start. So for point 2, successful gaming companies understand that unique features of their titles are very different for driving revenue and engagement. We know the stat. I think everyone's heard it that the 3% of your users drive the majority of your revenue. So the most valuable asset that you actually have as a gaming business is your player data. The insights about what the most engaged users love about your game. Like, where did they come from? What parts of the game do they like? What parts of the game do they actually hate? How often do they come back? And how valuable are they to you? But how do you know these answers, and how do you surface it up in a way that's easy? You just heard about Firebase Analytics, and this is Google's free analytics solution that helps you easily understand the engagement levels in your game. Why are users coming back? And what actions are they taking that eventually lead to the most desirable outcomes for your particular game, whether that's an in-app purchase or a share on your social network, levels beaten, records broken, trophies won, friends invited, etc. Which brings me to the third step. Using these insights, so using your player insights to put the game in the hands of the users who are truly going to love your game, your most valuable users who will drive revenue growth for your business. You want to get the world to love your game, which is hard because it's not only because users are discovering apps from a myriad of new channels, but also your user base is actually more diverse than ever before. Historically, app marketing has all been about demographic targeting and lookalike audiences, because these were the folks that we thought were likely to love our game and drive value for our business. The goal now is still the same, to find users who are likely to take a desired valuable action. But you can now look directly at their actions rather than their attributes. There's an easier way to find the users that matter most now, those that will open your game and just keep playing it forever and drive real value. You can now activate your user insights with the Universal App Campaigns to drive this engagement and value. Universal App Campaigns can automatically find valuable users based on the actions that matter most to you. All you need to do is tell the campaign what valuable event you want your users doing more of. You don't need to worry about who to target, where to find them, how to reach them, what ad format's going to work best for them, what to bid. The machine can do this second by second, impression by impression, optimizing on the fly itself in real time. You can define any in-app action that matters, from completing an onboarding tutorial, to beating a level, to sharing with their friends, or to making a purchase. It's really easy to integrate in an in-app action in your conversion data and your conversion data into AdWords through either Firebase or codelessly through Google Play or any of the third-party measurement providers. So just wrapping up, in summary, Google really just wants to help you remove the complexities of marketing and business development so that you can seriously focus on the things that matter to you, which is effective growth. So we do this by helping you grow your core user base. We help you surface insights so that you can continuously iterate and improve. And then we use strong signals to let Google's machine learning find you the best users for your game. So thanks, everyone.